Hello, my dear friends. In this lesson, we will learn some important list methods, how and where to use them. So I want to get started. With the append method, we can add an object to a list. So let's define a list named MyList. MyList equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. MyList.append 9. MyList. As you can see, 9 is now one of the elements in MyList. And with the count method, Python returns us the count of how many times an object occurs in the list. So let's define a new list named CList. And the elements are A, M, S, T, E, R, D, A, M. CList.countM. The result is 2. So with the extend method, we can append the contents of a list to another list. Create a list named list, and its elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Create another list named list1, and its elements are 8, 9, 10, 11. Now type list.extend list1 list. And you're looking at it, list 1's elements are now in list. So with the index method, we can learn a list's elements index within that list. So list.index 5, the result is 4 because 5 is the 5th element of the list. And with the insert method, we can add a new element into a list that our specified index inserts and in quotation into the list at offset index. Now create another list named MyList2. MyList2 equals apple, banana, orange, pear. MyList2.insert 2 melon. MyList2. And as you can see, the new list, apple, banana, melon, orange, pear, 2 shows the index where the element needs to be inserted. Melon is now the new element of the MyList2. Pop. So this method, if we don't value in the list of the last index statement, if we value the value of the corresponding element in the list and it throws the element from the list prints. Now use list. List.pop and run. The last element gets deleted. List. List pop 2. This code deletes the 3rd element in the list. List. Remove. Remove in quotation from list. Now use MyList2. MyList2.remove banana. MyList2. Now the banana gets deleted in MyList2. Sort. The sort method, sorts the elements of a list from low to high if it is a number, and alphabetically if it is a string. Create a new list named numbers. The elements are 4, 1, 2, 6, 89, 13, -1, -7. Numbers. Now we use the sort method, numbers.sort, and run. And what do you know? The list elements are now sorted from low to high. So now let's create another list named strings. And let's make the elements London, Liverpool, Birmingham, Bristol, Chelsea, Manchester. Strings.sort. And as you can see, our list elements are sorted alphabetically. Great. So in this lesson, we learned some very useful list methods in Python. We'll put them into practice a little later. So I hope to see you in the next lesson. Until then, have a great day.